Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts and DIY maestros. I'm Scott, and today we're walking through an easy, step-by-step guide to help you get the most out of your new HD4000 backpack sprayer from Petra Tools, your trusted partner for reliable, innovative sprayers designed to make outdoor spraying easier. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, unpack your HD4000 and assemble the components. Thread the valve handle onto the hose, attach the wand, and choose the right nozzle for your task. The HD4000 comes with 6 nozzles, allowing you to adjust your spray pattern and pressure depending on the job. Also, be sure to check out the extendable wand, designed to help you reach farther without bending. Next, make sure your HD4000 is fully charged before getting started. Plug it in and let it charge for at least 8 hours for optimal performance. Now that your sprayer's charged, let's test it with water before adding any chemicals. Add about a gallon of clean water to the tank, just regular water for now. Put the lid back on, then turn on the pump using the red power switch. Squeeze the handle on the wand and let the water flow. Now you might see some sputtering or air bubbles at first, and that's completely normal. Just keep squeezing and let the pump push the air out of the system. Once you've got a steady stream with no air bubbles, you're good to go. Now, if the pump is running but water still won't come through after a couple of minutes, no sweat. That just means there's a small air gap from shipping. That's what the quickprime syringe in the box is for. Turn off the pump, disconnect the hose from the sprayer, and thread the syringe onto the outlet where the hose was connected. Now make sure the plunger is pushed all the way in before you connect it. Next, you're going to want to slowly pull the plunger back. You're creating a suction to pull water into the pump and clear that air out. Once you see water filling the syringe, unthread it, reconnect your hose, and test again. You should be all set. Once your HD4000 is primed and working properly, empty out the clean water and add your preferred liquid through the mesh strainer in the lid to help keep debris out of your spraying solution. Be sure to take advantage of the included measuring cup to mix your solutions as needed. To achieve precise spraying, adjust the pressure using the pressure adjustment knob to match your application. Are you ready to spray? Squeeze the valve handle and enjoy continuous, controlled spraying for your outdoor tasks. It's such a delight. Once you're done, turn off the pressure adjustment knob or power switch. We recommend cleaning your sprayer before storage by running warm, soapy water through the system, then emptying out any remaining water. And that's it, a quick guide to setting up, priming, and using your HD4000 backpack sprayer. You're gonna love it. Enjoy the efficient and easy spraying experience that the Petra Tools HD4000 offers, your go-to solution for a job well done.